Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of personal finance. Today, we'll be discussing a topic that is crucial for securing your financial future: retirement savings accounts. Join me as we explore the pros and cons of different retirement savings accounts. Let's get started. Traditional individual retirement accounts, IRAs. One popular option for retirement savings is the traditional individual retirement account, or IRA. The advantages of a traditional IRA include tax-deferred growth and potential tax deductions on contributions. However, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. One major drawback of traditional IRAs is that withdrawals are taxed as ordinary income during retirement. Additionally, there are contribution limits and mandatory withdrawals after reaching a certain age, which can limit your control over your retirement funds. Roth Individual Retirement Accounts, IRAs. Another type of retirement savings account is the Roth IRA. Well, one significant advantage of a Roth IRA is that qualified withdrawals during retirement are tax-free. Additionally, there are no mandatory withdrawals, allowing you to maintain control over your funds. However, Roth IRAs have income limitations for eligibility, and contributions are made with after-tax dollars. 401k retirement plans. Let's move on to 401k retirement plans, which are widely offered by employers. 401k plans come with several advantages. First, many employers offer matching contributions, which is essentially free money. Additionally, contributions are made with pre-tax dollars, reducing your taxable income. However, 401kk's have limited investment options chosen by your employer, and early withdrawals may incur penalties and taxes. Simplified Employee Pension, SEP IRAs. Moving on to self-employed individuals or small business owners, a popular choice is the Simplified Employee Pension, or SEP IRA. Absolutely, SEP IRAs offer higher contribution limits than traditional or Roth IRAs, making them ideal for self-employed individuals with fluctuating income. Additionally, contributions are tax-deductible, providing potential tax benefits. However, as with traditional IRAs, withdrawals during retirement are taxed as ordinary income. Health savings accounts, HSAs. Lastly, let's discuss a unique retirement savings account that is often overlooked: the Health Savings Account, or HSA. HSAs are designed to help individuals save for medical expenses, but they can also serve as a retirement savings tool. Contributions to HSAs are tax-deductible, earnings grow tax-free, and qualified medical expenses can be withdrawn tax-free. However, eligibility for HSAs is limited to individuals enrolled in high-deductible health plans, and non-medical withdrawals before retirement age incur penalties. Conclusion. As we conclude our discussion on the pros and cons of different retirement savings accounts, it's important to consider your unique financial situation and long-term goals. Each account type has its own advantages and disadvantages, so take the time to research and seek professional advice to make the best decision for your retirement planning. Remember, investing in your future is an essential step towards financial security. Thank you for joining me today, and hit like and subscribe.